What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Today is day 2 with the G80. It hasn't even been 24 hours, and look, we're at another car meet. We got Kevin over there. And yeah, guys, I'm so freaking happy. Shout out to everyone showing love and support on the video. I appreciate everybody. I'm glad everyone likes the freaking G80. I am so freaking happy, guys. Get ready for me to just talk about this car all day long, I swear. It's so fun so far. So far, I freaking love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. Drives so freaking smooth. It's so clean. It's crazy. But anyways, we just made it to a little Cars and Connections. What's up, Kevin?
What's up?
Hi, G. Why didn't you wait for me?
Couldn't.
What were you? Look what you're rushing for. What the? Look at the square. Dude, what the heck?
That was random. Like in the car so far.
It's sick. I literally love it. I swear. There's literally no complaints. I love it. It's just the only complaint is too stock. Like, I can't wait to slam it, dude. It's too lifted. It's too quiet.
No way. What's up?
What's up, G?
Popped out.
Damn, good. Rich.
Damn.
You like my new car?
Is that yours?
I swear.
On God.
I swear.
No way.
I just bought it.
Bro, congrats.
Thank
Hell
you, bro.
yeah.
I appreciate
fire.
it. Like a bunch of cars already pulling up. Damn. GT3? Jeez, bro, that one's sick. Well, that's the one we saw at Levels. Shit is sick, bro. Got an M4, frozen blue, with blue buckets. Damn, that's a sick spec. And carbon ceramic brakes. Bro, you know what? This might be the car that David was trying to buy. Bro, this might be the one that David tried to buy.
Really?
I
carbon
swear.
Ceramics. Didn't it have carbon ceramics?
Yes, that's carbon ceramics, blue, and bucket seats too. David almost bought this, but I think somebody bought it right before. And this guy probably bought it. I'm pretty sure it's the same car, I swear. Damn, that thing's nice too, McLaren. Yeah, that one's fire. I'm still gonna get a supercar, G. Everyone thinks just I got this. I'm not gonna get a supercar. I'm gonna get a supercar too. That is fire. God damn. Well, they sound the same. They literally sound the same, bro.
Which one are you taking though?
I'm taking the Ferrari. That shit is fire. It's perfect, like, setup too. We need supercars still, G.
Yeah, low key.
Did I make a mistake?
No.
Should we go return it? No, I'm just kidding. I'm still gonna get R8
beat
soon.
supercars too.
I know. Honestly, I'm gonna make this shit fast as hell, bro. So much things I can do, guys. There's literally so much. The mods are endless, dude.
Yeah.
Compared to like R8.
For every little thing.
I know. The R8, bro, all I would have done was put carbon on it
And lower it.
and lower it. And everyone's telling me twin turbo, but you guys know how much twin turbo kit is? It's like a G80.
Yeah.
It's like 60K or more just for a twin turbo kit on an R8. I said we'll get there soon, but very soon. I only want to keep this car for probably a year, guys. I mean, I say that now. I might fall in love with it even more because I already love it, but my plan is to only keep it for like a year, modify it, max it out to the max, dude. Like, max out the tune, the engine, performance, max out the exterior until I have nothing else to do to it. And then trade this in for the supercar. So it's a car I've always wanted and a car that I needed to get to collect the M3 collection of mine. Guys, I've literally had an E36 M3, E46 M3, E92 M3, F80 M3, and now G80 M3. Bro, that's a lot of M3s. It's crazy. More BMWs. I did it, guys. I joined the G80s. Look how many there are already. There's a white one, there's a gray one, there's a blue one. That's insane. The me hasn't even started yet. Like I said prior to buying this car, you just gotta make it look different, guys. Look, a lot of them, they all look the same. Mine, I'm changing everything. I'm changing the wheels. Everyone just keeps stock wheels. I don't know why. That's why Kix's car looks insane. Fresh Kick's car looks wild, guys. I was with him yesterday, and I'm probably gonna lower the lowering springs he recommends and all this good stuff. I gotta make this car look crazy, guys. That's the only way. You gotta make your car stand out from everybody else's, especially when it comes to G80s, because everyone has them, and there's so many. The way I'm gonna make it completely different than everyone's. Damn, Austin Yellow M5, guys.
Bro,
my boy went
what is he
fast through there.
Like a G-Wagon or something? He just went boom.
This shit is nice, bro. Oh my god. I know I talk a lot of crap about the M2s, guys, but look, in black, kind of hides everything. It looks so good. I would definitely get it all black like that. I actually wanted my G80 all black. We might wrap this in black. Damn, look at the Huracan, guys. Aren't they expensive?
Really, they're cheap, honestly.
That shit's sick. Look how many supercars there are. Dude, Porsche GT3, Ferrari. This one's freaking beautiful. The one we just saw come in. Those wheels are sick. Again, it's so sick seeing like people modify their supercars. SCO, you literally don't gotta do nothing to these, I swear. They're the best Huracan. I want this car so bad, guys. This next to an SVJ, I don't know which one I'll take. I mean, I think I'll take the SVJ, but this is right behind it, I swear. See, it just looks so aggressive with all the aero and stuff. Wow, bro. And then the Serato, next to the SEO, the Serato is like the off-road edition. So it has the wide body fenders, the off-road tires. This one's wild, dude. Roof scoop, roof rack. Like, even has little lights stock from the factory. Look how the hood opens, guys. Damn. That's a race car. This is what I love most about it. The hood, how it opens, guys. No, and I don't think no other Lambo does this. All carbon, too. It for sure weighs nothing. Red one. Damn. More FindingNick spec. The center locks on it too. Red brake calipers. I'll take this one for sure. Got red interior too? No way. We got Kevin's M4. I don't know how he snuck his BMW in here, but he's with the supercars. Got the McLaren with the red interior. Got these crazy wrapped Mercedes. Look, they're literally the same color, same wrap. And then another Porsche. I think this is Turbo S. Carbon roof. Damn. This thing sounds sick. I've heard it so many times. All you hear are the turbos. Rich.
Holy shit, man. How are you, bro?
Good.
Flake over here, dude.
Why?
Bro, he left without me today. Can you believe that?
I'm honestly gonna stop talking to Kevin.
Me too. Bro, he was literally, come outside, come outside.
Holy, that was ridiculous. Go look at it. It's gonna pull up right now. I
Shut
swear.
up, bro.
That's twin turbo SVJ.
Kevin. Stop it.
Why'd you leave me today? Bro, he came so early to the meet and he was the only one here at first. And I still got here.
like
Why do you
coming
come early, bro?
I like coming early.
This guy's crazy. He wants like VIP parking and this and that. So we're gonna expose Kevin right now. So he always leaves us like 40 minutes earlier just to come get the front spot.
Ariane pulled up with the McLaren. Can we trade sometimes?
Yeah, sure, I'm down.
Let me just drive it like sometimes, bro, or something.
Yeah, I will.
For real?
Yeah, I'm about to buy an R82 and a G80, so
Damn.
we'll keep it great. Dude, it's beautiful, bro.
Sick on.
Congrats, bro.
Manual
Deserve
G?
it, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, it's insane.
You gotta drive
Very
it.
nice, bro. It's very nice.
It's
Oh my
clean, right?
I love the color.
I know. Me too. Honestly, I love the exterior. What the CSL? Bro, I've never seen one in gloss black. They come black like that?
Yeah.
But it's way better than the matte gray. Bro, that shit's actually really sick. CSL. Oh my god, bro. No way, bro. Bro.
What is wrong with him? He just came in.
Imagine he just went straight into the fence.
Bro, I thought his bastard was gonna fly out of there.
Oh my god, look who pulled up, guys. My boy Andre with the E92, the loud blue one in my vlogs. You guys have seen it before.
Andre's funny, bro.
He's so funny, bro.
There's no
Hard though, I'm not gonna lie. I low-key want one of these too one day. I would love to have one. He hits the supercar.
There's no backup camera in that.
Damn. That's how you pull up?
Where's the new car?
It's right there. There's no way you came in like that, bro.
Some light.
This shit is sick. But
Let's have air compressors and stuff, you know? That's the problem. You should get some hydraulics, you know?
oh my god. Look at all the batteries you need to power the hydraulics, guys.
10 batteries, brother. And that's a piston to the
Bro.
nose. So
How
jump
crazy
high.
is that it needs that many batteries? Damn, that's insane. He's hilarious, huh?
The girl starts crying. They're like, hey, oh my god, you cheated on me? You give him a little tissue box, you know?
No way,
You
bro.
give a little tissue, you know?
Great.
What is it?
Right,
Oh my god.
look at it, look.
Sheesh. That's what happens when you guys always burble and now shit.
Beamer fan, I got something to show you. Real quick.
Okay.
I swear, bro, look at For real?
Manual.
Damn. Save the manuals.
Oh my god.
I know.
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. I don't have the buckets like you, but
Okay,
you know, I'm
okay.
trying to find them. If you want to trade me, I'm just kidding. I gotta see if someone will trade me, but it's sick though.
Proper spec though.
I know. I literally wanted manual. I wanted the carbon roof, the laser headlights.
Bro, my man. Bro.
I know.
Save the man.
I'm so hyped, bro. I'm literally so excited. Like, sick.
Beamer fan's all about the manual.
I know he has the manual too. He's the only other manual like G8X that I know. Literally, I don't know anyone else personally that has a manual. Just me and you.
Yep, that's how it's gotta be, man.
I know.
He's rich.
Who's rich?
Who else? Owner of the camera.
Oh shit, this guy?
That's how we make money. Busy. Phone calls. White hat, red phone, shirt, the Jordans. He could afford that. He's rich.
Man, she sounds crazy. She sounds sick, bro. What do you think, Eddie? You like it?
Badass.
It's nice, huh?
Who cares if you don't have the carbon buckets, bro? Who gives a fuck? It's still nice. Nice color, carbon rooftop, and it stick shift, bro.
I know.
Who cares
Literally.
about the carbon?
Nah,
Just
it's
buy
beautiful,
that.
bro. I swear. Literally. I said that because I was like, bro, I can always change out the seats. I can't change out the transmission.
Facts.
Dude,
Facts, bro.
big fan, dude.
Thanks,
Love
G.
it, bro.
It's so-
Totally.
We're gonna grab some food and then we're gonna take some pictures of the G80, like the reveal photos for Instagram. I haven't even taken a reveal picture yet. We're gonna go take those pictures. You guys probably already seen it on Instagram. Guys, like my boy just bought this too. Everyone's getting new cars, bro. We got Arion in the McLaren. Must be nice.
Oh shit, congrats, bro.
Bro, I want to be like you so bad. God damn. I know I talk so much crap about these cars at first. Oh shit. What? As a warning. That's kind of sick. I'm finding new things about this car every time. But it warned me I was about to hit the other car. But yeah, I know I was talking a lot of crap about these cars, but bro, in all black, it's actually nice. Like, it's clean. Damn. I actually like it a lot. Maybe we should get Josephine one of those, huh? Imagine I'll be gold, M2, and me and a G80. Oh, God, dude. Yeah, that thing beats a supercar, I'm not gonna lie. It's crazy. Bro, Eddie's M4 is so clean. Literally my favorite M4. F8X. I swear, dude. It looks so good with the carbon truck. Damn. And the 18s, fat tire setup. It's literally perfect. Literally exactly how I would build my M4. I'm not even joking. Like, it looks like my car, to be honest, my F80. Damn. No way, bro. It's my car, G.
That's
That's
how you know you're in
hilarious.
LA, bro.
No way. It's the same freaking car,
That's
bro.
hilarious.
You see, that's why I can't wait till I freaking modify it, dude. It's gonna be completely different. I can't be driving around like this anymore. Just took the reveal photos. Shout out to Kevin for taking them. Hopefully they came out good. Now we're taking a group picture with the M4s and my G80 in the middle. It's gonna be sick. Rich. And my car looks way better than both of you guys. Nah, I'm just kidding.
It does look, yeah.
Nah, bro.
insane
Honestly,
spec.
shut up, dude. Honestly, I like the F8X chassis better. I'm not gonna lie, but this shit is fast, and the technology in it is
Yeah,
way
can't
better,
beat it.
dude. Like, it's actually sick. I don't know why I slept on it for so long, but it's sick. Damn, this is a good ass picture. Which one are you taking?
Come on.
Yours still?
Come on, dog.
Damn, that's messed up, bro.
What
No, I'm
is
just
that?
kidding.
What
Which are you taking?
Oh, my M4.
No, what are you gonna choose?
No.
Everyone's choosing their own cars.
No, your individual paint is crazy.
Shut the no individual nothing, bro.
Comfort access, full spec out.
Guys, I don't know. It's not working, the comfort access. I don't know why.
Oh, goddamn.
Alright guys, before we end the vlog, I'm gonna do a little peel box segment because I know you guys like when we open this stuff on the vlog. This is from Joseph Saryan. Let's see what's in here. Shout out to everyone who does send stuff to the peel box. I think it's super sick and it's a cool little segment and a break in between the vlogs. Holy crap. He actually messaged me and told me he was gonna send me some beanies. This is pretty fire, bro. Bro, how many did you send me? This is crazy. These are actually fire. I'm not even joking. My girl's gonna like this one for sure, bro. There's more. There's white ones, black ones. Dude, the black is sick too. Oh my God, bro. There's no way you made me this. Dude. Bro, this is freaking fire. Live fast California plates and it looks legit too. Holy crap, bro. I'm putting this on the G80 tomorrow. I'm gonna take a picture. I swear, it matches the G80 too. What are the odds, bro? It's like not really white. It's kind of like the chalk gray, Brooklyn gray of the G80. Holy crap, bro. That is insane. This is so freaking clean. I cannot wait to put this on the car for photo shoots and stuff like that. This is the coolest thing I've ever got. Thank you, bro. And the freaking beanies and everything. Dude, you didn't know how to send me that much stuff. No way. Look, it made me custom everything, guys. This is freaking sick. This is like some crazy fan mail, bro. I appreciate that so much. And it is the coolest thing seeing you guys be creative like that and gift me something. Like, that's so dope, bro. Thank you so freaking much. Please read off camera. Okay, I'm gonna wait. All right, guys. Well, he didn't want me to read it on camera, but shout out to you, bro. I do remember his DM. I'm gonna message you right now. That was super dope. Thank you, bro, again. And also, I think I'm probably gonna end the vlog right there. I think today's vlog was a little bit short. We've been doing very long videos actually recently, like 30, 20-minute videos. Today, probably a little short one, I think. I'm not too sure. But we've been driving the G80 a lot today, and I'm so happy, guys. I am so freaking happy. I can't wait to start modding the car. We already have like a couple mods on the way that should be here soon. And I think we're gonna do the first mod on Tuesday. And you guys all know, it's pretty much my first mod that I do to all my cars. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. I think it's tomorrow. A lot of content on the way, guys. It's gonna be insane, an insane build. I cannot wait. So many mods you could do to a G80, bro. The mods are endless. Thank you again so freaking much for everything. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for all the love on the car reveal video. And yeah, sorry for the short vlog, but tomorrow should be dope. Don't worry, we got a lot of content coming up. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.